lang reason, nasasama ko yung presidente. Kaya yun ang reason ko na mag-apply.
Sir, hindi pwede kayo kasama kayo, sir. Makasama kayo to explain your record.
Explain? Well, I should let them know the real numbers, the real situation, and the real happiness in the Philippines. Sabihin ko, because these people, itong mga Democrat senators na alyado rin sa ating mga yung ating mga anti-government na officials dito ay pinipidan sila ng maling informasyon.
Kakausapin niyo ba sila, sir? Personally, kung may chance.
May chance kung magkausap kami, but I don't have to look forward.
Pero sir,
Just in case lang.